Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Home decor plays a crucial role in creating an environment that reflects personal style, enhances comfort, and fosters well-being. The way a space is designed and adorned can significantly influence mood, productivity, and even social interactions. Among various materials used in home decor, wood holds a special place due to its aesthetic appeal, versatility, and natural qualities. Wooden pieces add warmth and character to any space, making them a popular choice for homeowners and designers alike. One of the primary benefits of home decor is its ability to create a sense of identity. A well-decorated space allows individuals to express their tastes, interests, and values. Through color schemes, textures, and furnishings, homeowners can curate an environment that feels uniquely theirs. Wooden pieces, with their natural grains and colors, contribute to this personal expression, offering a range of styles from rustic to modern. Each wooden item carries its own story and character, allowing individuals to connect with their surroundings on a deeper level. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wooden decor elements also enhance the warmth and coziness of a space. Unlike colder materials like metal or glass, wood has a tactile quality that invites touch and creates a sense of comfort. This warmth can be especially important in living areas where people gather to relax, socialize, and unwind. The natural beauty of wood adds an inviting aesthetic that encourages people to spend time in these spaces, fostering a sense of belonging and connection. Moreover, wooden pieces often carry an organic feel that connects inhabitants to nature. In an age where many people spend significant amounts of time indoors, incorporating natural elements in a home decor can help bridge the gap between indoor and outdoor environments. Studies have shown that exposure to natural materials can reduce stress and promote feelings of calm, making wooden decor an excellent choice for creating a serene atmosphere. Whether it's a wooden sculpture, a handcrafted bowl, or a rustic beam, each piece serves as a reminder of nature's beauty and resilience. The versatility of wood is another significant benefit in home decor. It can be incorporated into various design styles, from traditional to contemporary, and can be used in numerous applications. Wooden pieces can serve functional purposes, such as shelving or storage, while also acting as decorative accents. This dual functionality maximizes space and enhances the overall aesthetic without compromising practicality. The adaptability of wood allows homeowners to experiment with different arrangements, styles, and finishes, ensuring that their decor evolves with their tastes over time. In addition to its aesthetic and functional benefits, wooden decor can also contribute to sustainability. Many wooden pieces are made from renewable resources, especially when sourced from responsibly managed forests. Choosing sustainable wood products can help reduce the environmental impact associated with home decor. Furthermore, wooden items often have a longer lifespan compared to products made from synthetic materials, reducing waste in the long run. By selecting high-quality, sustainably sourced wooden pieces, homeowners can create beautiful spaces while also being mindful of their ecological footprint. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden decor pieces adds a layer of authenticity and value. Many wooden items are handcrafted, showcasing the skill and artistry of the maker. This craftsmanship not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also imbues each piece with a story and a sense of history. Homeowners who invest in such pieces often appreciate the time and effort that went into their creation, fostering a greater connection to the item and the environment in which it resides. This appreciation for craftsmanship can also inspire a desire to support local artisans and sustainable practices. In terms of functionality, wooden pieces can significantly enhance the usability of a space. They can be designed to serve specific purposes, such as providing storage solutions or displaying cherished items. Well-designed wooden shelves can transform a blank wall into a focal point, showcasing books, plants, or decorative objects. Additionally, wooden tables and seating arrangements can create inviting spaces for meals, conversations, and gatherings. The functional aspects of wooden decor contribute to a well-rounded living experience, where beauty and practicality coexist harmoniously. Incorporating wooden pieces into home decor can also positively influence social dynamics. A well-decorated space encourages interaction and engagement among family members and guests. Wooden furniture, for instance, invites people to gather around a table for meals or discussions, fostering a sense of community and connection. The warmth and natural beauty of wood can make a space feel more welcoming, encouraging people to spend time together and share experiences. This social aspect of home decor is vital for creating lasting memories and strengthening relationships. Furthermore, wooden decor pieces can serve as conversation starters. A unique wooden sculpture or an intricately designed piece of furniture can spark discussions among guests, providing an opportunity for storytelling and sharing experiences. These interactions can enrich social gatherings, creating a more engaging and dynamic atmosphere. The presence of well-crafted wooden items can elevate the overall ambience of a home, making it not just a shelter, but a space for connection and interaction. The benefits of home decor extend beyond aesthetics and practicality. They also encompass psychological and emotional well-being. A thoughtfully decorated space can promote feelings of stability, comfort, and security. Wooden pieces, with their organic shapes and textures, can evoke a sense of calm and grounding, contributing to a more peaceful living environment. This is especially important in today's fast-paced world, where individuals often seek refuge from stress and chaos. By surrounding themselves with natural materials like wood, homeowners can cultivate a sanctuary that fosters relaxation and rejuvenation. Moreover, the act of decorating a home can be a therapeutic endeavor in itself. The process of selecting, arranging, and personalizing decor provides an opportunity for self-reflection and creativity. Engaging with materials like wood allows individuals to connect with their surroundings and express their individuality. This creative outlet can be immensely fulfilling, promoting a sense of accomplishment and well-being. For many, transforming a space into a personal haven is a journey of self-discovery and growth. Wooden decor can also adapt over time, allowing homeowners to refresh their spaces without significant investment. Unlike trends that come and go, wood has a timeless quality that can seamlessly integrate into various design themes. A wooden piece can be repurposed, refinished, or combined with new decor elements to create a fresh look. This adaptability not only enhances the longevity of wooden items, but also encourages sustainable consumption practices, as homeowners can invest in fewer, high-quality pieces that stand the test of time. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.